tomorrow. Once your version test completed, please remind me if any possibility of a day possibility is there, any 1 day possibility. I am going through all these things. Okay. But meantime, you have to study. If you are ready, then if you studied everything, so I will give you a quick review. Okay. So that is a point. Okay. So that's the thing. So here it is in our Windows operating system in Windows 10. How to share files. Okay. Sharing of files and folders. Actually, it is file sharing or a folder sharing. Actually, we share folders, guys. We can't share the files. Okay. We can't share the files. Okay. So the shared folders only, but it is the topic is file sharing. People say it is a file sharing always. Okay. So first of all, I will draw here what is meant by this file or folder sharing. So sharing a data between two or three devices, multiple devices. Like I have a PC, mouse volume. So my PC name is, for example, PCA, and this PCA also having an IP address, right? Check the IP address. So whatever it is, IP address is there. So PCA having an IP address. Next, every PC having a username. So that is important. Again, what is username and password? I removed the password for this my virtual machine. That is a problem. So again, we will fix the password. So don't worry about it. Okay. So name, IP address, username, and password of this PC. That is you have to collect first. Next, there is a folder. Think like there is a folder. Folder name is data1. Folder name is data1. Now the data in this data1 has to be accessed from other devices. So that's what we are saying, sharing, right? In the work group, PCs only, what we are doing is from the network or through network, there is a data in a system. We want to access data from the system. If it is a domain environment, it is quite easy. Okay. Domain environment, user-wise permissions you can give. Here it is not a user-wise permission. It is a single system-wise permissions. Think like this. This name is PCB. This is PCC. Important is PCA, IP, and PCC IP must be in the same network. PCA, PCB, PCC, their IP addresses must be in the same network. And all are should be connected physically. All devices must connected physically. Guys, this already I told this is does not mean bus topology. The meaning is it is the devices connected in the network. That's it's a represents devices connected in the network. So here it is. The first thing is I want to access the data one from here, from PCB. So what are the data 1 content? I will access from here through the network. Okay. So how to access? Already see first PCA information, IP address, username, password, and name. PCB IP address is enough. Okay. So how we are accessing that is. We'll show. So what we have to do is in a run simple way. This is first of all I am trying to say simple way. In a run, put slash slash PCA IP address. After that one, a box is open. In the box, put a PCA user name and so we need a PCA's username and the password. Okay. So you should know the ASPC IP address and of course there is a troubleshooting thing. So then there is troubleshooting things like a network related troubleshooting and other options also there. That is also we can see. So I have a one device, I have another device. The device name is like this, PCA, and it has an IP address. Of course, it is also having some username and password kind of stuff. Okay, important is so first try to ping to PCA IP address to make sure both are communicating or not. Means troubleshooting first. Then try to open shared folder from here, from the run command. In the run command, put slash slash PCA IP address, and there is a box open. Give the PCA user name and password, so then we can able to access the data. This is how can we do the shared folder kind of stuff. Why it is slow? Okay, guys, this is my PCA. This is my PCA. How to check IP address here?
IP
Here,
config.
IP config. So got an IP address is 192.168.1.3. So first one is I have to open. So have taken my PCA IP address. Means first piece IP address where data is sharing. Okay, so where is folder from where it is located. Okay, so that is our PCA. IP address is 192.168.1.3. Very good. So we got an IP address first. Next, username and password, right? PCS username and it password we have to collect. Username is easy. That is SD user1. This is a username. So it has to show from here SD username. Okay. Next, password. The password is I changed the password. I want to reset the password. Okay. I have to reset the password. So I want to go to this, right? Like this. LUSRMGR. Local users and computer management has to be open. Or you can open comp mgmt.msc or local users and groups. This is a open. So what I have done, run lusrmgr.msc. So separately I'm writing this lusrmgr.msc to open local users and group. Okay, your local user accounts and group information is there. What you can able to do with this one, guys, you can add user or you can add group also. You can add a user to a group. You can add a users, not only one user, you can add a users to a group. Okay, we can reset users passwords. You can delete users and groups also. Okay, you can make a user. You can change user privileges like a you can privileges. You can change privileges by adding the user to specific group. Okay, so here it is. I have a users currently. We are worrying about a user. We got this one. One more point. You can enable or disable user. You can enable or disable the user. You can see the default administrator user is disable mode. Guest is in disable. We have user, it is enable mode. This user I'm going to reset the password. Right click, reset the password. Okay, this is to so to reset the password. Reset users password. If in case, guys, you type the same thing as it is in your PC, if it is not open, so if it is not open, means your PC is a home edition, Windows 10 home editions. Okay, okay, it won't work in a home editions. This kind of stuff won't work in a home editions. So this option is there, not there in a home editions. That is you have to keep in mind. Okay. So you must know where why it is not working, where it is not working, kind of stuff also. So I am resetting the password. Proceed. Just 1 second. Resetting the password. Very dead slow today. So why I'm dragging from uh, we got it something. Yeah. So reset password for proceed. That is enough. That is enough. So we need this part. Okay. Proceed. Now I'm giving a password like a admin at the rate 123 admin at the rate 123. So I am doing the same password. I'm giving a same password like admin 123 only because we I use so many type of virtual machines every day. Lot of virtual machines I use it. Okay, so I should don't want to forget what password I am using. This is wrong. Today class is like this only. This is better idea. Okay. This is how to reset the password. Guys, understand? Click OK. So I reset the password. Password has been set. Okay, that screenshot I am not taking. So what is my password now? Okay. So this thing won't work in a home editions. So if it is a home edition, then how to deal? You must go to the settings. If it is a home edition, you want to change the password. So you have to go to the settings. Guys, always give a password a properly which you can able to remember. People say give the password, very difficult password is important. That is okay. That is okay. Password difficulty is good for your security. But if you forget your password, so what is the use of that one? Okay. So do not give a much difficulty password which you will forget. Difficulty or no difficulty, important thing is you must remember your password. So you want to change the password, so go to sign in options, accounts, sign in options. So this is the password. We can give any other password. Your account does not have password. You must uh, add a password before you can use another sign in option. Just you can add a password to it. Okay. Um, you want to see from here also you can get it. Go to this settings. See password. Your account password is all set up to sign into Windows apps. You want to change it? Click on change. So you will give current password and next password. This one you need a current password. It's accounts, sign in options, then in the password, you have to change the password. Okay. So we're all dealing with the passwords, but we forget one important thing, that is how to share a folder, right? Yeah, that is we can do it from here. Guys, understand how to change the password?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Here it is. Anywhere, either it is on the desktop or in maybe in your C drive or maybe in a D drive. First, I want to share a folder. It means the folder has to be created and it should have a some data in it. So I can do it in a something like in a E drive or maybe in a desktop. So here I put in a E drive like this. I'm creating a new folder. So I'm putting this Noida 22 data one directory just for understanding because already I think I have done so many sharings here. So Noida 22 data one directory. In this one, I have kept a file. Okay, so I kept a file that is 26th April notes, for example. And I said it is what we discuss in this notes, Windows file and folder sharing. Okay, just topic. Yeah, it is slow system. Save it, close it. So there is a file in this folder. Now, this file has to be accessed from other system. I think you got the point, right? I have a file in a PC. This file has to be accessed from other device. So I have to share this folder. Three type sharings. I will show you 3 plus 1. 4 sharings are there, guys. Okay. Folder, right click, properties. Guys, there is so many sharing options are there from Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So many sharing options are there. So right click, give access to, remove access specific for people. Okay, including no. This is okay. Give access to, share this folder kind of stuff is there. Do not do that one for a first time, guys. Which I am telling, it's a better option always. Go to the properties, select sharing tab. Okay, right click, go to the properties and select the sharing tab. So I have done right click. Okay. Go to properties. This is I am doing at PCA, first PC. So first I created a folder. Then I put a file in the folder. Then now it is sharing the folder. That one, first you have to do right click on the folder. Select properties. Like this. Okay. So next one. So when you select the properties, select sharing tab. Select sharing tab. This is sharing tab. In that one, select advanced sharing. Select advanced sharing. Then select share this folder. So what I have done, then select advanced sharing. Then window is pop up. Then select share this. After that one, select permissions. Okay. So in the permissions, add everyone. So that part again I will show you. Select permissions. Okay. Bah. Okay. So full control. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. You have to do it. Permissions. Click everyone and select full control. Okay. Then apply. Okay, so this is I will have to create take a screenshot, right? So what I have done, double click, properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing, this selection, share this folder, permissions, so full control, then apply. Okay, then apply okay kind of stuff. So click all okay, cancel, close kind of stuff. So it is apply, okay, apply, okay. Now it is, you can see network path, network path. Okay. Okay. So this is the network path. Some people say UNC path also. Okay, UNC path, network path, all these things are same only. It's always start with a slash slash. Okay, so just observation purpose only. Apply okay, apply okay. Once you done, we'll get this. Then go to close. Ah, enter there. Now sharing is completed, guys. You want to know whether it is shared or not. Once you close it, your sharing is done. So you want to know whether it is shared or not. So maybe you have to go to the sharing commands. But sharing part is completed. Okay. Now folder is shared. Now what is the next step? Access folder from PCB means next PC. Okay. Now next PC, PCB. What is PCB? PCB access shared folder. Okay. Of course, it also must have a IP address. Username and passwords are not mandatory. Okay. And which device is sharing, that user must have a username and password. Password must be there. Password is must. Compulsory. Okay. Here username password optional. Okay. So I'm not checking any username password. My laptop desktop is my PC. Okay. So it is my laptop. In my laptop is my PCB. Okay. I'm using my laptop for a PCB and I'm checking the IP address. So I want to know only IP address, not required all other information. Okay. So then I use ipconfig. What is my IP address? 1.29. Guys, as per IP address, both are in the same network or not? It is a class C. First three portions are network portions. Is my first three portions are same? Same, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Uh,
So, yes, sir.
yeah, this is my old laptop. Okay, so lot of difficulties are there. That's why I am keep touching. Okay, both are in the same network, but we should confirm by pinging. I'm pinging to 192.168.1.3 to make sure both are communicating or not. From my BPC, from my 29 PC, I'm trying to ping to that APC. Communication is good. Communication is good. Opa. So we collect the IP address now at PCB. So that part we'll go to the at PCB. First step is ping to PCA, first PC. IP address is 192.168.1.3. That is our IP address. So we done a pinging from our side. So I put this is user one always. We got a successful ping reply. Okay. First of all, ping is good, then remaining is automatically it is become good. Okay. So if still sharing is not working, then we have to do other troubleshooting also. First of all, we'll try share access. Okay. Access shared folder from PC. Yeah. Okay. This is again at PCB only. So first is communication testing. Next one is accessing directly. If in case if you are unable to access, then you have to do some troubleshooting. The troubleshooting also I will add it. Go to run command. Go to run. The run, put a slash slash PCA IP address. IP address means first PC IP address. So this is run slash slash 192.168.1.3. So I try it. If it's successful, we'll see. Go to run slash slash 192.168.1.3. Okay, guys, the slash also represent some.
Hello, sir.
So you are not audible.
Not audible, sir. Sir, you're not audible. Your voice is.
Meeting is over or not?
I think there is some network issue from your side.
So your screen is visible, but you are not audible.
Now, can you able to hear?
Now,
Yes, sir.
you are audible now.
So I removed these headphones. Okay. My internet speed is good. Internet is good. My system is slow because this system actually slows. Okay. And I cannot control my system. System will control me. Okay. Guys, up to here, this is PC or virtual machine PCA's IP address in my laptop. So I'm trying to access a shared folder from PC. I'm accessing from PCB. Data is in PCA. So I'm giving PCA's IP address. Understand? I'm giving 1.3 means that is where data is shared. I'm accessing from other PC. Okay. This is where the data is there. That IP address I'm giving here. Click here. Okay. So usually it will ask your username and password. Okay. So once in the box, give the username, which is username is SD user1 and the password USD no not USD user. First thing is ECS user and that password. Okay, like this. So SD user1, the password is admin at the rate 123. I'm taking screenshot. Take a full screen then you can see. What is this blinking? So okay. So give the this species. This is APC is username and this is their password. Okay. So I don't want to confuse the people. So that's why uh, um, 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 I didn't show my BPC username and passwords. Okay. So you can see only one user, one password. That is remote systems. A users. We can understand why we should write. The mouse is also not much cooperative now. So in this case, it is SD user1, and in the box you have to give the password is admin at 123. So same thing I have given. Next, I have to click OK, right? So then you have to click OK. and wait. Click OK. Sometimes it won't show. Okay, guys. So already I shared my printers and all, so you can see from it. This is N22 data one. So this is my first of all I will take this. Okay. So you can observe your folder from here. Okay, this is here we got it. No, no, no. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Okay, so now I open, so I can able to see my, so I can able to read, and I given a full permission means I can add some data to it. Okay, so I can able to add some data to it also. So just I'm successfully access, so that's what I'm trying to show on this. Okay, so it is my adapter, my folder, folder data, folder contain data is this. Okay. So as I said, guys, I given full permissions. So if I add some data here, so that data I can able to access from there also. For example, in my desktop, I may have some pictures kind of stuff, right? Okay. IIT support picture is there, so I'm putting this picture here. Okay. Some PDF is there. It's a big PDF. Yeah, some notepad file. Mouse parlor mainly. Yeah, this is there. Control C, Control V is better now. See, two files are added. Okay, two files I added in a from PC. And network. Okay, two files I added. Mismatch not required. Just two files are added, kind of stuff. Okay, two files added. Next, so once I added, so I want to check. Added two files. PCB only. Check it. PCA in N22 data one folder. Okay, so I'm going to PCB N22 folder. So two files are came. So I can put the data in remote PC. I can access the data from remote PC. This is the basic point in the shared form.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Is it possible to put a for particular file on the PCB from that user? Is it possible, sir, or not?
From PCB to
In the PCB, in the PCB, we can put a file or not, sir. Means we can create
the
one new
file.
file because we are giving the full access.
If you, I have taken, I created a one folder. Okay, I created a folder in PCB. So in that folder, given full access to everyone, both security permissions as well as a shared permission. With shared permissions only we got it, but we can also give security permissions from other PCs. They can put it into this one. Of course, as a default, it should has a password for a user. Of course, we should know his username and password and an IP address. Without IP address, also no problem. Within the LAN, no problem. Without IP address, also no problem. Because if you go this network, you go to network, this one, it will tell you what are the devices connected in your network. Using network discovery protocol, it will be able to show you. But that is depends upon so many other factors. So better to know the IP address. So why need a password? It is like if system do not have a password. If your system is not having a password as per the built-in group policies, so without a net password, you cannot access it by anyone. That's why in my laptop do not have any password. So it cannot be accessed by anyone through network. Okay. So that is a designed rule. So compulsory, there must be a password. Of course, in some work groups, if they change the rule like no problem, without a password we can able to access, we can access. Guys, understand anything? How to share, how to access?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
And you guys will tell me how to share it. So first of all, I'm creating a folder. Folder name is N22 data, and I'm creating some files, maybe any file. I am creating this text document. Okay, so this is a A1 file in a Word document. So it will take a lot of WordPad document actually it is. Yeah, it is opening, but it is taking a lot of time. Your Windows 10 is become dead slow. Meaning is there is several meaning, but always try to check the background updates. If any update is going on, so let it update. So later you can try your system. So I created a file and no data in it. So at least notepad data. The notepad is open. This is SS file in PCB. This one is why it is not open. This system fault only this. It's okay. Oh, please. Yeah, that's why it is late. If it is open directly with the WordPad, it is quite easy. Right click, right click, open with Notepad. WordPad is fastly it will open. Microsoft Office is comparatively slow because more features. What is the problem with Windows 10 is not only Windows 10, Microsoft is they put a lot of features in a small thing. For example, you take a Hero Honda means the Splendor bike. Okay, so not having so many features, lot of petrol and better performance. Okay, if you take a bike that is having lot of features, then it consume lot of batteries, lot of features means lot of petrol, lot of weight means lot of petrol, right? So same thing for a car, same thing for operating system. That is a good thing about a Linux and Windows is a one of the main difference. Linux by default not having any experiences features. Means color text boxes, okay, additional extra features are not there. So it's a limited features. So that's a Linux is faster as compared to Windows. But we don't have a choice. We had to need those features also. Okay. So anyway, there is a folder with some data in it. I want to share. First step is right click properties.
Properties.
Okay. Sharing tab, advanced.
Advanced.
Share this folder. Permissions. Okay. So before going to permission, want to adjust this window a little bit. Advanced sharing. Guys, earlier I shared a folder. I shared a folder. One second. One second, guys. Hello, sir. Hello. Okay, nice. So look at here. When I access then your our PCA, so the folder name and share name is same N22 data 1. So which is while I'm sharing, I see the direct folder name N22 data 1. Okay, it's the same folder name here also. But this time I want to change. Like the original name is data 2, but people when they are asking when they are accessing, for them it shows share 2. So I change the share name. I didn't change the folder name, I changed the share name. And I'm giving permissions also. So giving full permissions. So this part changes. I change the share name. Original data name is this one, but share name is changes. Shared folder with a different share name. Share name is different. Remaining everything steps are same, but only the share name changes. So we'll see the output like first apply, okay, apply, okay, and wait. Here it is. Can you see share name? Network path is little different because you can see the network path is changed. Different share name, different directory name. So it is, you can see original directory name is this one, but share name is different. Okay, so this one is also closed. Now PC B again access shared folders from PCA. Same thing, slash slash PCAs. That everything we know, right? So we don't require put every time slash slash kind of stuff. We are already here with the this method. So just refresh. Can you see the share name? N22, N22, share 2. I'm not getting N22 data 1. Okay. I didn't get a N22 data 1. I am getting share 2 at PCB. Okay. I'm getting this one. I am getting share 2 only, not data 2, share 2 with a different share name. Even if you open this one, so where it is, here it is. If you open, you can see the same data. You can see the same. Okay, guys. Understand with the different share names.
Okay, sir.
The last one in the sharing. Last one in the sharing. Not last one, last but one. So one more is there. So when you are in the any organization, so you will get a doubt, sir, this is look like different. So this is my data 3. Okay. What happened to this? So because of the updates, I think so. So it contains some files. So I'm copying from here only. In virtual machines, we can copy from virtual machine as well as your physical machine to virtual machine also. From here to here, it taken this much time. This file also I'm sharing here. I think it is background update. Okay, 2 files are there. That is enough. Same thing, same sharing, but this time changes like sharing. This is administrative sharing, or we can say hidden. It means we can access shared folder if we know their name. Shared folder name. Okay. Not only just IP address or a password, guys. If you know the shared folder name, then only we can access. Otherwise, we can't access. Okay. Only means compulsory. So how to share it? Yeah. PC. Okay. Actually, here also I have to write. I didn't written. I think so. change share name. Okay, here also same thing. While we are sharing, change share name only. It is also change share name. No, no, no. Change share name if required. It is you want it, and add dollar at dollar at the end of share name. You can use some share name, different share name, okay, or not. That is your wish. But add a dollar at the end of the share name. Example like this. Share $3. Share name share $3. Share name after that $1. Like this. Okay. Now one by one. So we'll see again. Right click. Properties. Sharing tab. Advanced sharing. So normal sharing won't give you these many options, guys. Advanced sharing will give you all options. And this is easy. Advanced sharing is easy compared to just normal sharing. Yeah, I want to put a share name. Share 3. And I have to put a dollar. Then give a permissions. Full control. Sorry, sir. Give a permissions. Full control. So this is point. Main point is this one. Okay. You can see this is the folder. Folder name. Advanced sharing. This is the share name. So I put a dollar here. You can observe that. You can see the dollar here also. Now you have to access, right? When sharing is done, there is one small thing. So the share path is how it is works. So apply OK, and OK. The path is showing. This is our original data, but share name is changed. This is the path. With name path it is, but we can take it as a normal. So we are using IP paths, not a name paths. Now point is access shared folder. administrative or hidden shared folders from AC. So we are at PCB. Yeah, one more I complete, guys. Just then we can take a day. Okay. So because it's a one continuous topic. At PCB, go to run // yes IP address, that is you know already, slash their name dollar. You have to access like this. Okay. Normally I'm trying to show you guys. This is a shared folder information. Just refresh. So can you see normal access? N22 share 2 is not there. Otherwise, I will close it and open again. So open. So where is N22 share 3 or a data 3 is not showing, right? Look at this is a reference, that is normal sharing. It won't work here. So there is no N22 share 3. You can't see this one. So if this is there, but this is not there. Okay. So how to access? One way is /N22 share 3 dollar. Okay. This is the way to access. Cannot see shared folder so I open like this, open shared folder from run. Yeah, so you have to open. Now we can able to see data. Okay, we can see our shared folder and the data inside. Okay guys, understand the shared folder concept. Three type of shared folders. with share name different. See, when I go back, where is N22 share 3? Not there. How many, or we can say, what are the shared folders and their share names and original folder names and locations. What are the shared folders in our PC or laptop or in our system? One, their names and original folders and locations. How to get it? Two ways. Guys, here I know there is shared folders, but there is so many shared folders in my PC. So I don't know what are the shared folders, their original locations and all. One way is go to command prompt. Okay, once I have done this part, again one more small thing is there. Be patient, just relax and see. My system is also the, it is frustrated. It is worse than you. Okay, so open command prompt. So in at BCB, I want to know. So at PCA, I want to know. So I will go to command prompt. I put a command is called a net share. Here it is, net share. So you can see all my shared folders. Previously shared folders, including printer shared folders, my currently shared folders, their original location. Okay, where is original location? Okay, and the share names. This is share name. This is shared folder. This is one way. This is one way to copied it from here. Eh, this is my PC folder, guys. I just need a 15 minutes max. And my system is not cooperating. Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can have some relax, have some water or kind of stuff. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Not a specific break, but just relax and all. a big list, so we can't take a screenshot also. It is non-cooperation moments. Still no problem. That's what I will do. I'll save it. Hmm. That virtual machine is giving much smaller. It's even 4 GB RAM for virtual machine I given. In the Windows 10, guys, when Windows 10 becomes slow, that's slow like this. Do not try to force it. Work better. So leave it for some time, then try again. Um, so what I have done, so I put it in a one shade folder, and then this is that information. Mm, 1 second. Why untitled name? I didn't open any untitled name. Now this game. Now paste. Okay. Don't worry. So this is from here. Use this. These are a default shares. Your driver is already shared. You see drive, D drive. These are all already shared. So that's why we are using BitLocker to protect your drive from unauthorized access. These are our shares. I shared these folders. is my printer. Okay. So this is how to know about your shared folders. So another way is in the run or search, type com mgmt.msc, then you can try like this. Go to run compcom mgmt.msc. So I showed how to reset a password kind of stuff, disk management kind of stuff, service management, device management, everything we can do in a one single administrative window, that is comp mgmt.ms. Now, so it is loading, it taking time. Yeah, very good. Now, shared folder information we wanted to see. You can administrate local users and groups, event viewer, schedule a task, performance management, device management, disk management, okay, and service management also we can do it. Why I'm closing things? So at least that is a weight on our main processor will be reduced. Okay. Not only that one, guys, also it is depends upon the internal process, background process, this kind of stuff. We have to go to this shared folder. Not I don't require remaining things. Not responding. Yeah, it will respond, no problem. Shares. So this is our information. We can see share names, the folder path, the location, and the type is Windows type, current client connections, and description. Of course, client connections, number of users can access at a time, that is I didn't define. Okay, so I didn't define that one. So, but we can try that one also. Okay, this part I will take a screenshot. Ah, this is today. Actually, you guys learn new thing, but it is very slow and irritated mode. I like this kind of teaching. What happened? So that is got crashed.
DSOD happens, sir.
Not the PSOD. PSOD. It is system crash, system kernel related issue, right? So that is BSOD. This is that full snip in the SIPMIN application. I cannot take more, unable to take the load. So that's why it is crashed. So it's closed automatically. Okay, so just we want to focus on what we want. So that's why. So this represent it is a virtual machine. Okay. So to show you better is virtual machine because it's a Windows 10 Pro edition. It is shared folders, shares. You can see shared names, their original locations, and client connections and all. This is how we can able to check what are the folders we shared from our PC. I said there is a one more is there, and that is it. It's like this. Look at this. At PCA, so PC is my central device, for example, is a central device. Next, all required documents in shared folder at PCA only. User has to access user has to access the docs from the PCA regularly. Regularly. So the shared folder mount to users users
बदतमीजी करवा लो बस
at or in user PC or in user PC at or in user PC.
गाँव में केदारनाथ जाने लगे तो कितने पैसे चाहिए केदारनाथ जाने के लिए तो पहले जिगरा चाहिए मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकती जिगरा क्यों चाहिए ऑक्सीजन बहुत कम है केदारनाथ
Yeah, sorry guys, I taken lot of times in single time only. Even I didn't take any break, and so, okay, this is the last one. Okay, at PCA is a central PC, somewhat like this. There is a one piece in a office. We have a one PC. There is a shared folder. All our documents we kept in this shared folder only. And we have a different users in our home. in our office. So we have a different users. Okay, these users has to access every day. So every day they have to open the shared folder and access the documents. That is little difficult, right? Every day you have to go to run command, put an IP address, give a username, passwords. That is additional job. So what I have to doing is simply I will mount this folder to the local devices. I'm mounting to my drive. This is the mounting. Mounting means whatever the data is I given, it will be shows in the network drivers. Okay. So the shared folder mounted. So you can say, and second column is first is my laptop column, and very big column is that mouse column. That is not my mouse. That is my nephew's mouse. My mouse is in office. My original mouse, working mouse. Okay. Mount the shared folder to users. It is network drive as network drive. So this is, we'll see. This is the last one. So any shared folder, guys, any existing shared folder you can take. No need to separately share it. Okay. So I'm taking any existing shared folder. So in this one, I'm taking this data to. Okay. I'm taking data to. Right click on data to. No need to do anything. Already it is shared. Already it is shared. But I want to tell some point. Here it is. Limit number of users. At a time, how many number of users you can able to access. 20, 30, 40, 65,000, 16,000, 16 million, like that. So you can increase it. By default, it is 20, it is showing here. By default, it is showing 20 means number of users simultaneously can access this shared folder. Okay. You can change it also. You can change it also. Okay. So why should we change? Means, for example, in your organization, originally only 4 or 5 members has to access. Not everybody is required to access. Only the 4 or 5 members has to access. Not required everybody at a time. More members are accessing at a time means more load on the device. Okay. More people are accessing means more number of devices. Okay. So this is what it is. Limit number of simultaneous users. That comes here. This is separate one. That happen z limit number of users access to the shared folder. Okay, so that is the point. So here it is not that point. We are already having a shared folder. Okay, You are already having a shared folder, so that's what I'm taking. First take the shared folder. What happened to this? No. So first we add PCA, take the shared folder. So this is my shared folder. This is the shared location. So confirmation. This is the share. At PCA shared folder, their name, and permissions. Okay, check all these things. Next, at PCB, open sharing folders of PCA. Right. So this, right? So we got a share names, right? So right click on the share name, map a network drive. Right click on the share name, no options. Right click, share name, select map network drive or map as a network drive. So that's the point. Not this one, we don't want this one. Right click, map network drive. It's okay. It's okay. So right click, select map network drive. It's okay, no problem. So we take full. So what is the next step? Right click, map network drive. Select a drive letter, guys. Your wish. It is drive letters are in a reverse order. The live letters are in a reverse order. So Z, X, Y, Z kind of stuff. So drive letters are in a reverse order. Click finish, no problem. Okay. Click finish. So select a network drive, select finish. You'll see the output the last time. So when you select finish, done. So go to generally, this open. So see, this is this PC shared folder drive along with other drives, and you can see the data. Last one, right? I'm keep telling last one. No, no, no. See, look at here. This is my network drive. That is the last one. Okay. So this is my network drive. Okay. You can see this symbol and this one. It is a network drive. Remaining are a normal hard disk drives, which is a local PC. This is our network drive. Mouse file. Okay. I don't know how many are alive, how many are got a headaches. I don't know, but this is our network drive. So you can open anytime. So you don't require all this to open and access. So I'm closing all these things. Okay. This one also I closed. See, if I want to open, so open this, put the data, and you can close it. Window, no problem anytime. So if you keep the data here, the data stores in the remote machine. Okay, guys, understand the sharing part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you can see once this document afterwards. Okay, today take rest. Prakash sir will inform about maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow your class will be started. Okay, your was sent. So morning we'll continue our sessions. So at least 3-4 sessions are there. So that's we will finish. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem.